While NIFTY slipped 0.62%, Titan soared nearly 200 rupees per share today. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks moved, why it happened, and what to watch next session. Nifty 50 closed at 24,176 rupees 15, down 0.62% from the previous close of 24,326 rupees 65. The index opened at 24,233 rupees 65, made a high of 24,253 rupees 8, and a low of 24,126 rupees 65. On the technical front, RSI 14 sits at 52.6 neutral territory, suggesting the market is neither overbought nor oversold right now. Short-term moving averages show EMA9 at 24,169 rupees is above EMA20 at 24,069 rupees, indicating a mild short-term bullish tilt despite today's small fall. Volume printed as 0 the 20-day average, which the data flags as normal activity. Key intraday levels to note are resistance at 24,290 rupees and support at 24,096 rupees. The index remains 7% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2 set 56 sessions ago, and well above the 52-week low of 22,182 rupees 55. In short, the broader market is in a mild drift lower, today with internal strength concentrated in a few stocks. We'll unpack the biggest movers now. Titan Company opened at 4314 rupees 0 and closed at 4509 rupees 0, up 4.68% on the day, testing an intraday high of 4605 rupees 0 and a low of 4213 rupees 4. That move left the stock just inside its 52-week high zone at S, within 2.1% of the high of 4605 rupees 0. The clear signal from the tape was volume. Trade printed at 4.8 the 20-day average, which points to unusual institutional conviction behind the move. Technically, RSI at 65.4 is neutral to leaning higher, and EMA9 at 4402 rupees sits above EMA20 at 4384 rupees, a short-term bullish setup. The simple reason for the strength today is that institutions stepped in with heavy volume, pushing the price toward its historical resistance near 4605 rupees. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance at 4605 rupees and the immediate support at 4391 rupees. If the stock holds above the EM, a zone around 4402 rupees 4384 rupees, that confirms the short-term trend. Moving on, Apollo Hospitals also showed serious strength today. Apollo Hospitals opened at 7837 rupees 0 and closed at 8097 rupees 0, up 3.32%, with an intraday high of 8115 rupees 0 and a low of 7812 rupees 5. The stock is effectively at a 52-week high at S, within 0.2% of 8115 rupees 0, and the technicals explain why. RSI at 79.3 is in overbought territory, and EMA9 at 7814 rupees sits above EMA20 at 7721 rupees, confirming a short-term bullish trend. Volume printed at 2.59 the 20-day average, and the chart shows a 20-day closing high breakout in plain terms that S-price discovery territory backed by institutional buying. The most useful observation for tomorrow is resistance at 8115 rupees and support at 7601 rupees. Watching whether the stock can sustain prices above the recent breakout closing range matters most. Keep in mind, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Next up, Asian Paints had a similar pattern. Asian Paints opened at 2540 rupees 0 and closed at 2599 rupees 9, up 2.74%, making an intraday high of 2607 rupees 4 and a low of 2515 rupees 4. The move pushed the stock very close to its 52-week high of 2985 rupees 7. The session places it within 0.3% of nearby resistance at 2607 rupees and indicates buyers were active. Technicals show RSI at 78.7 overbought and EMA9 at 2502 rupees above EMA20 at 2455 rupees, so the short-term trend is bullish. Volume was 2.09, the 20-day average, and the stock registered a 20-day closing high breakout, signaling fresh buying interest at higher prices. The key level to watch is support at 2,500 rupees and resistance at 2,607 rupees. If the stock holds above the EM, a zone near 2,502 rupees 2,455 rupees, that keeps the short-term picture constructive. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. Today's theme: concentrated strength in a few large names, while the index eased slightly tighten. Apollo Hospitals and Asian Paints carried the market higher despite Nifty being down. Watch two things tomorrow: whether those breakout stocks can hold their EMA9, EMA20 zones, and whether volume stays elevated, signaling continued institutional conviction. If you found this short breakdown useful, like the video, comment which stock is on your watch list, and subscribe for weekly market hits. Saturday uploads work best for retention on this channel. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.